Cooking verbs with sentences. Bake. Bake the cake for 30 minutes. Boil. Boil water for the pasta. Chop. Chop the vegetables for the stir-fry. Cook. Cook the chicken until it's done. Defrost. Defrost the frozen pizza. Dice. Dice the onions for the soup. Fry. Fry the eggs in a pan. Grill. Grill the burgers for 5 minutes. Knead. Knead the dough for 10 minutes. Marinate. Marinate the chicken in the sauce. Measure. Measure the ingredients for the recipe. Mix. Mix the batter for the cake. Peel. Peel the bananas for the smoothie. Pour. Pour the sauce over the pasta. Roast. Roast the vegetables in the oven. Sauté. Sauté the mushrooms in butter. Season. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. Slice. Slice the bread for the sandwiches. Steam. Steam the broccoli until tender. Stir. Stir the soup until it's combined.